Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. It is paper pumpkin time again, and this month is the February 2022 kit called Safari Celebration. So let's see what's inside the kit. We open it up. It comes all wrapped in tissue paper. I've just already taken that out. So this is the instructions for the kit. We can make 9 cards, 3 different designs. They have coordinating envelopes. These are our instructions for making the cards. And on the back, it gives us some options for additional cards. It shows us the entire contents of the kit and tells us that the coordinating colors are Bumblebee, Fresh Freesia, Pear Pizzazz, Rich Raspberry, Soft Succulent, and Soft Suede. We do have a blurb about Paper Pumpkin and all of the other kits that are available. And then we have a blurb about next month's Paper Pumpkin called Beyond the Horizon, and it coordinates with our New Horizons paper. And it actually includes, as a thank you for being a Paper Pumpkin customer, it includes an extra stamp set. So usually you get a stamp set in next month's kit, so March's kit, that you still have time to subscribe to. You get an extra stamp set. So in this kit, we've got dimensionals, we've got our adhesive dots, we've got these little adhesive enamel, looks almost like stones. So those are going to be fun to use. Here is our stamp set. Let's celebrate, you did it, amazing, fantastic. You are so then you can add each one you want. Congratulations, happy birthday, little cupcake, little banner that says yay, this lovely leaf, and then some scatter dots. Again, looks a little bit like stones. So that's a really great, very useful stamp set. And we have our envelopes, and they are decorated on the inside and on the outside as well. So let's pull our envelopes out, and then we've got some really great die cut punch outs here. Lots of decoration. Oh, look at these leaves. Look at that. I can feel stencils coming on with the pieces, the negatives. When you take these out, you get left with what's called the negative, which is the opposite of the piece. But can you imagine using that as a stencil on another card? I'm pretty sure I see that in my alternate card future. And we've got a Rich Raspberry Stamped Spot. So let's have a look at these. These are the die cuts for the front of the cards. Excellent, excellent, excellent. This is going to be such a fun kit to make. We've got some vellum shapes as well. And we've got the card bases. So the card bases are in the Bumblebee, and it is Soft Succulent, isn't it? Yes, Soft Succulent, and then in the Fresh Freesia. So there, isn't this a colorful, fun kit? So stay tuned for more videos as I make the cards in the kit and some alternates for you. Thanks so much for watching, and let's create together again soon.